My name is Guerline Telusma Emmanuel. I always go do the full name. Telusma is the way that I honor my father, because if there's anything about Haiti that I do that I love, it is through him, mostly, because I came here when I was 8, and his idea was, he always tell me, Haiti is one of the greatest country in the world, one of the greatest country in the world, if not the greatest. And I think I'm blessed to marry somebody who's as crazy as my father was, and that's my husband. So we kind of like entertain each other when it comes to this Haiti stuff. Why do I take people to Haiti? Because Haiti is a phenomenal place. It is a beautiful country. It has everything that you need. I say Haiti is not right now a place for vacationers. Haiti is a place for travelers. There isn't anything that we find outside of Africa that starts in the Caribbean, South America, Europe, that doesn't start and end with Haiti. So Belle Vue Tours for me started, I started reading about Haitian history when I was in my 20s. And then I am full blown into Haitian history, archive, documents, things about the ancestors. And when we created Belle Vue Tours, we focused specifically on the historical and cultural component from the beginning of the nation, the state. And for us, it was really a way to connect our kids to Haiti. And then along the way, they were so blown away by Haiti, and their idea of Haiti is not like any other kids growing up here. So when they go to Citadel, they're like, oh my God, this is, and I remember the little one is like, Mom, you never told me Haiti was better than Hawaii. And then that was what clicked for us, like different things over the years. We were traveling to Jamaica, other places, Mexico, and all guys like, why am I in all these people's country and I don't even know my own? So all of these little things kind of add together, and so we started traveling with our kids. And then we added, our nieces came along, friends came along, and then we got the idea for Belle Vue Tours. So Belle Vue Tours is the historical, cultural component arm of BVstylez. So for me, the way I see it is, there is no one who's going to come and change this country but you. We are enough to do anything and everything that we want to do in Haiti. There is no one that's going to come and invest in our country but us. If anybody else is investing in our country, it's not going to be for you anymore. I will guarantee you that. If I pass transition in 50, 100 years, come and knock on my gravesite and say, oh, the country is no longer ours anymore, because no one is going to fix it for you. You are it, and you are enough. So for me, this is, Belle Vue Tours is our way of adding to the Haiti that we want to see. And every time we share the negative images, every time we share the negative narrative, that is what keeps us even further and further back, because every country have their struggle, every country have their strive. I don't know if anybody know where Sandy Hook is. Give me the other one. Where they had the thing in Buffalo. You don't know, you just know they quantify, they quantify and segment where certain things are happening. And the reason they do that is because it keeps whatever's happening in one place. But when we speak about Haiti, we say Haiti. Haiti is a country, 10 departments, millions of people. There isn't 12, 11 million of people that are trying to leave, no matter what it shows here. That is my spill when it comes to Belle Vue Tours. So while we were traveling, Ogad lost his luggage. And I remember I'm from Okap, he's from Port-de-Paix. And it took us like 3-5 days, he was wearing the same clothes. So I wanted to have a bag, and I have a bunch of bags in my house. And I remember someone came to the house, Maritza, and she was like, what are you doing? I packed like 2 months before I travel, okay?
Oh, crazy.
And then, and then she said, I'm like, I could never find a bag, and he's going on about, oh, she always having like a bunch of bags, when are you gonna find a bag? And Maritza said, well, why don't you create the bag? Because we give bags when you go on the tour. And I'm like, dang, I'm gonna create a bag. And I'm gonna create a bag that's going to have what I need. And essential for me was the iPad, all of my toiletry bag, and then have a kind of bag that I can have 2 to 3 days of clothes in it. And then I started thinking also, right, historically thinking that we tell our story. We own our narrative. We change the narrative. So these bags for me, yes, they are a bag, but they are also turning you into storytellers. You are telling your story when you carry the Liberators. Oof. You have the names of these people that you descend from. They are your roots, they are who you stand on, and you can do anything. There isn't anything we cannot do because we are Haitian. So for me, this is what the Liberators represent. So whenever things are hard, you're having a hard time, you can't get it, shake it, because you can do it. They tell you can do it, they tell you are enough. If you could change the whole goddamn world and the whole economic system that trade in human bodies and human soul, there is nothing you cannot do. And there is nothing and no one that can tell me, I can't add to Haiti, we can't change Haiti, we can't see her for what she needs to be and what she's meant to be. And that's the Liberators.
Woo! Wow.